Hello and welcome to Spokane Virtual Learning. My name is Senora Fisher and I am your Spanish teacher this semester. Here are some quick directions on how to navigate Blackboard for Spanish 1 and Spanish 2. After you sign in to Blackboard, please go to Announcements. Announcements will be posted every Monday to inform you what is going on in the class and what assignments are due. To the left here, you have your panel. This is where all your links are located. After you've read through the announcements, you're going to go to Coursework. Coursework is where you will find all your assignments for the semester. It is broken up between chapters. Click on the link. I'm going to go back up to here. Preliminares is where Spanish 1 is starting, and for Spanish 2, you are starting in Repaso, which is a review of Spanish 1. Okay. You will see there are 24 assignments for preliminares, and these are all broken down by week. Please work in order, and as you complete each assignment, you will go over to Submit Assignments and turn them in. And they're all located here. They have their name and what assignment you're turning in. So for this week, you are doing Preliminares 1, Spanish Alphabet. So this is where you will turn in your first assignment. For next week, you have P2, P3, and P4. Okay. So there is Preliminares for Spanish 1. You click on Coursework. You choose the assignment you are working on. Then you come back over here and submit it in Submit Assignments. Spanish 2 students, you will be working on Repaso, and this is for 2 weeks. You'll go into Repaso, and you're going to do Repaso 1 through 4 for week 1, and Repaso 5 through 9 for week 2. Here is all the learning. And then over in Submit Assignments, you will go to Repaso, and there you are. Here are all your assignments you will be doing. Okay, let me go back to announcements. In the announcement, you're going to find a weekly task. You will have a weekly task each week, asking you similar questions. There are 2 ways to submit your weekly task. You can copy and paste it into a Word document. Once you've answered your questions, you can save it to your desktop or wherever you save your work. You will go over here to Weekly Tasks, and since it's week 1, you will submit it here into week 1. Or you may copy and paste it and put it right here into the comment box. Then you're going to hit Submit to see if it worked. And you will see that both ways work. So right here is your Word document, and right here is your copy and paste into the comment box. These are due every Monday night for full credit. After Wednesday, you will not be able to do your weekly task. So once again, here are all the links that you will need for this class. Here's a link for Accents, your weekly task, where you submit your assignments, your coursework, which is your learning, your announcements, which are very important. You need to read every single Monday. Here is your eStudio link. This is the online workbook, and I will make a second video on how to navigate between Blackboard and eStudio. Here is your teacher info. This is about me. Here are some other student resources. Here is your syllabus and schedule. Make sure you click on the syllabus and schedule and print out your pacing guide. Keep this in your folder. And as you complete your assignments, make sure you put a check there or write the score that you received so you will always know your grade. Also, here is a link on how to check your grades. Right here, you will see the points you earned for each assignment. And then you will have a total point score up here once you submit your assignments. Here is a calendar. And it will tell you what is due and when. Most of my assignments are assigned on Monday and they're due by Sunday. These assignments will go on the following progress report. And I have just for Spanish 2, here is repaso. This week's assignments are due by Sunday the 9th, and week 2's assignments are going to be due on Sunday, September 16th. Anyway, I'm going to go back to announcements. If you have any questions about this, please let me know, and I will be happy to help you. And once again, I wish you guys a great year.